Hello techies. Alright, today we are going to be working on wireless network. Alright, so the tag says you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. The network card in the desktop computer in Office 2 has gone bad. Rather than replacing the bad card, you have decided to connect the computer to the wireless corporate network. The wireless corporate network has the following characteristics. So it has a speed of 54 megabytes per second and greater, distance of 300 feet, and wireless channel that is not susceptible to interference. Cordless phone. I think that has to be AC range. Alright, so whatever network adapter we'll be selecting has to have an AC in it to be able to meet up with the specifications we have. So let's go to the back of this and disconnect the network adapter, physical network adapter that is not working anymore. Disconnect it from the wall also. Alright, so that is disconnected. Is there anything we need to do? We need to select wireless adapter. So let's look at this is BG, this has an AC. Let's look at the specifications. 2.4 gigahertz, i.e. 5 gigahertz, that meets our specification, so we're making use of this. Alright, so we're making use of this. So we connect it in the right port. Here is the right port over here. And then is there anything else at the back? Nope, everything is fine. Let's go to the front, enter into the computer, and let's configure the wireless network. At the bottom right corner, you click on the internet logo, right click on it, click on network and internet settings, and click on Wi-Fi and show available network. So the network is to connect to, let's say, the SSID. The SSID is CompTIA, so we have CompTIA here. We click on it, connect automatically. It is asking us for password. What password are we giving? We just copy the password and we paste. Alright, so we connect. Shows that this is connected and secure. So let's just close this. Check. Alright, so this is CompTIA internet access is connected, and let us go ahead and check our answers. Alright, so everything appears to be correct here. If this video was helpful, you might want to consider liking, subscribing, share the video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.